Hello, class. This is the spelling test for List 1. First, make sure you have selected your name in the list. After you hear the word, pause the video so you can type the word on your iPad. You can also rewind the video to hear the word again. Do your best. Here we go. Number 1. Go. Go. We will go to the park. Number 2. See. See. Did you see that bird? Number 3. Two. Two. Mother gave us 2 cookies. Number 4. More. More. May I please have more soup? Number 5. Age. Age. What is your age? Number 6. Rice. Rice. We ate rice and vegetables for dinner. Number 7. Page. Page. I am reading page 12. Number 8. Nice. Nice. My best friend is very nice. Number 9. Wage. Wage. At a job, you earn a wage. Number 10. Write. Write. I will write my own story, said Little Red Chicken. Those are the words for this week. Great job.